Hello everyone, welcome to CPP Technology Explained channel. In today's tutorial video, let us learn about constant member function. The main topics we are discussing about are what is constant member function, when should a member function be constant, how constant member function works in C++, and finally we shall learn about the various advantages of using constant member function. Let us see what is constant member function. Before learning about constant member function, we should understand what is meant by a member function. A member function is a function that is declared inside a class scope. As shown here, the function do something is a member function which is declared inside the scope of class named example class. Now let's see how we can make a member function constant. A member function becomes constant member function when the const keyword is used in the function declaration as shown here. You need to add the keyword constant at the end of the function. The const member function cannot modify the values of class member variables. There is a difference between the normal member function and the constant member function. In normal member function, we can write code to modify the member variables of the class. And yes, that is normally we do in programs using a member function. In case of constant member function, it is restricted by the language to modify any internal states of the object. It is not allowed to modify any member variables of the object unless that member variable is marked as mutable using C++ mutable keyword. Anyway, similar to normal member function, a constant member function is allowed to perform any read-only access in member variables. An object of the class can be created either as a normal modifiable object or as a constant non-modified object. If the object is not a constant object, it can call any functions, no matter whether the function is constant member function or normal member function. But if the object is declared as a constant object by using const keyword, then you cannot call any of the normal member function using the object. Here in the example, the member function do something in class example class is not a constant function. It is a normal function. As shown here, compiler raises compilation error, and as it is not allowed to call a non-constant member function using a constant object. This is because as the object is made constant, it shall not allow any code that causes modification of the object's internal state. Even if the function is not really modifying any object's member variable, since the function is not made as constant, it is not allowed in C++ that a constant object call a non-constant member functions, and hence it will result in compilation error. If the object function is constant as shown here, then everything is perfectly fine with the compiler. This is because const object can allow calling a const function as the function is guaranteed that it won't change any object's internal state. When should we make a member function as constant member function? The answer is that a member function should be made constant if it is not designed to modify the internal state of the object. So this is a design level concept also. All read-only functions should be made constant. This allows client users who uses the object of this class to use constant object. Client might need to make the object constant to ensure that their object is constant throughout its life once constructed using the overloader constructor. Constant member function just have read-only access to the member variables, with which it performs the desired functionalities. Now let us check how in C++ this constant member function prevents modification to its class member variables. Before going into that, we need to understand how member function class access the class member variables in C++. As we can see here, we have a class named example class with a normal member function named do something. This class also have an integer member variable. The member function just prints the value of the member variable and assign a new value of 20. Let us see how the member variable is accessed by the function. At compile time, the compiler automatically shall pass the classes this pointer implicitly as its first parameter of the function. Inside the function, this implicit parameter is used to access the member variable as shown here. This is how a member function accesses the member variables of that particular class. Important to note that this parameter is automatically passed by the compiler as the function's first parameter. Now let us see what happens if the function is made constant member function. As you can see here, the constant member function cannot modify the member variables. As we discuss later, in the compiler version, compiler automatically passes the classes this pointer implicitly as its first parameter. But in case of constant member function, this parameter is passed as constant pointer to constant object. Since this pointer to constant object is not allowed to modify the object class data. Thus, when someone tries to modify the object's member variable of constant object, compiler shall report compilation error. This is how in C++ the constantness of constant member function is achieved in C++. Now let us see some of the advantages of constant member functions. First one is clearly documents that a function does not change object's internal state. Constant gives you the ability to document your program more clearly and actually enforce that documentation. By ensuring your documentation, the const keyword provides guarantees to your user that allow you to make performance optimization without the threat for damaging their data. Next one is it prevents programming mistake. Constant allows you to make it clear to yourself and others that something should not be changed. Moreover, it has the added benefit that anything that you declare constant will in fact remain constant throughout the program. Next is the constantness provide compile time safety. Any code modification that violates the constantness of the function is captured at compile time itself. This ensures that maximum code safety. Anything that violates the design is not occurring at runtime. Everything will be captured at compile time itself. Hope you all understood what is constant member function and its advantages and how the constant member function concepts are implemented in C++. Thank you.